What lessons can we learn from the first major victory of Islam at Badr? Surah Al-Anfal not only recounts this historic event, but also provides timeless guidance on faith, unity, and the importance of obeying Allah. Surah Al-Anfal, meaning the spoils of war, is the 8th chapter of the Quran revealed in Medina after the Battle of Badr. This battle was a turning point in Islamic history, where a small and ill-equipped Muslim army triumphed against a powerful Quraysh force. This surah reflects on the victory at Badr, provides guidance on the distribution of war gains, outlines the qualities of true believers, warns disbelievers and hypocrites about the consequences of their actions. Surah Al-Anfal is a powerful reminder of Allah's help for the faithful and the importance of obedience, unity, and reliance on Him. 1. Victory at Badr, verses 1 to 19. Allah begins by addressing the distribution of the spoils of war, reminding the believers that victory comes from Him. The battle was not just a physical struggle, but also a test of faith and reliance on Allah. The Muslims were outnumbered, yet their unwavering faith and trust in Allah brought them success. And Allah had already given you victory at Badr while you were few in number. Qualities of true believers, verses 2 to 4. Surah Al-Anfal outlines the traits of true believers: a deep fear of Allah, trust in Him, regular prayer and charity. These qualities are essential for both personal and communal success. 3. Divine support and lessons from Badr, verses 9 to 14. Allah describes how He sent angels to aid the Muslims during the battle. This serves as a reminder that Allah's help comes to those who remain steadfast and sincere. 4. Unity and obedience, verses 45 to 46. The surah emphasizes the importance of unity among believers and obedience to Allah and His Messenger. Disunity and arrogance are warned against, as they lead to failure. 5. Warnings to disbelievers and hypocrites, verses 55 to 60. Allah warns those who oppose His message and highlights the eventual defeat of the disbelievers. The surah encourages the believers to prepare for their enemies, but reminds them that ultimate victory comes from Allah. 6. Reflections and conclusion, verses 70 to 75. The surah concludes by addressing the prisoners of war, emphasizing mercy and justice. It reminds the Muslims to remain steadfast and grateful for Allah's blessings. Key lessons and takeaways. Rely on Allah's help. The victory at Badr teaches us that success is not based on numbers or resources, but on faith and trust in Allah. Unity is strength. Disunity and arrogance weaken the community. Staying united and obedient to Allah is essential for success. Prepare for challenges. The surah encourages believers to be prepared for struggles while relying on Allah for ultimate success. Mercy and justice. Even in times of conflict, mercy and fairness should guide our actions. Conclusion. Surah Al-Anfal is a timeless chapter that provides guidance for both personal and communal life. It teaches us to trust Allah, remain united, and strive for justice and mercy. The lessons from Badr remind us that with Allah's help, no challenge is insurmountable. If you found this inspiring, like, share, and subscribe for more Quranic insights. Let's continue to learn and grow together with the guidance of the Quran. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.